Hello Codex Warrior, how you guys are doing? In today's video, we are going to see how you can display hidden files in Kali Linux. So without any further delay, let's dive into this video. First of all, open your terminal by clicking on this terminal icon. Now, I hope you know about ls command. It displays a directory. Now, first of all, let us check manual of ls command. So man command is used to check manual. So you can check of any command. For example, you can check even a pwd or any command which we use in Kali Linux. So you can see it lists directory contents. Now there are few arguments which we are going to see only two arguments which will display all commands and their arrangings, right? Their arrangement, sorry. So you can see there are a lot of arguments, but we are going to use two. So we are going to use dash a and dash l command. So let's begin. First, let us come out. Okay, so we are in codex folder, right? Let us check first number of files in it. There are total 8 files, which we can see clearly. Okay, now let us for arrangement purpose, you have to use argument dash l. Okay, so if we see, it has been total arranged. The first line you are watching, D stand for directory. Okay. Thereafter, read and write permission is given. Thereafter, when you come over here, you see that there are two files within this folder, desktop. Okay, and owner, group, and this is files data that it is a 4096 byte. This is in byte. Okay, and this is last update date and time. Okay, and that's all. Now how this dash l command is used for arrangement purpose. Now how can you list down all hidden files? For that, you have to use the argument dash a. Now you can see there are, we had only 8 files before this, or directly before this. Now there are total, you can see there are many. Now we can even arrange this by using ls dash a and l command together. A for listing down all files or directory within it, and L for their arrangements. Now you can see there are total 164 files within this folder too included. By this way, we can check down. For example, let me see in videos. In videos, it is displaying that there are total two files or directory within it. So let me open videos, change directory videos. 1 minute. CD. It was capital V. Okay. Now in video, if we check ls, there is no file within it. Means both files are hidden. So if we press ls dash a, we can see there are two files. One is with dash, sorry, dot, and other is with dot dot. So by this way, by using that both dash a and dash l and dash al together, we can display all hidden files, and we can even arrange them in a proper order. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Do like to our video and do subscribe to our channel.